Welcome to Commons West, apartment 415. This is a cozy east-facing studio. The kitchen is equipped with an electric oven and stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator. The living area is furnished with a full-size bed, a dresser, desk and desk chair, and a bookcase. This apartment has 2 closets. It is also equipped with an air conditioner and a heater. The bathroom for this apartment features a combination tub and shower, and a scanner system to buzz your friends in. Rent for this apartment includes heat, water, and trash removal. And electricity is the tenant's responsibility. Internet is also available upon request. Thank you for coming to this tour of Commons West 415. Call now for more information.